Hello, people. It's Greg.
Hey, good morning, Greg. How are you doing today?
I'm doing well. How are you doing?
I'm doing pretty okay. Can't complain.
Good, good. I'm having an interesting time with the system that we're trying to use, the Figma system. I wasn't able to. It seemed like when I was loading comments, it was spotty. It didn't put them all in, so I'm probably doing something wrong. But there are some of them in there anyway.
All right. Okay. So, Binu, can you help or walk Greg through Figma tool and how to use it?
You might want to go through the first few slides that are up on the system because I tried putting comments in there.
Gotcha. Are you there, Binu? And good morning, John.
Morning, everyone.
Binu, hello.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah, Binu. Greg is saying that he is having a hard time putting comments on the Figma designs. So can we quickly walk him through the Figma tool and show him how to put those comments?
My challenge really is that sometimes I go to place a comment and it seems like it sticks and sometimes it doesn't where I put it. And then you get that pop up where you write what the comment is. And then do you click the check mark on the right side? It says resolve, so it can't be that. And your other choices are to delete the comment or edit the comment. So I would think that if I don't know, it's just confused. It's not that clear as to what you're doing when you press these buttons. But then it has a reply down at the bottom as well. So obviously it's just getting used to it, and, you know.
Okay. Binu, are you there?
Yeah, Ajish, I think I'm having some issue with my microphone. Hello? Hello?
I can hear you very well now. Are you all set? What about Milind? Milind, are you familiar with Figma? Can we have a quick walkthrough on how to use it so that Greg can make his comments?
Yeah, 1 second. I'm actually in Figma. There's a comment option on the toolbar. I haven't done it or used it very much, but I think 1 second. Let me just look into it, and I'll just update it.
Now I see the comments that I put in there now. If I click the comment button in the top left corner, the comments pop up. And then you can search them. The hardest part is making sure all of them stick for some reason.
Greg is trying to put, Greg put his comments, but some of them are not retained on the designs.
Much better put than I put it, Ajish. Thank you.
You're welcome. Worst case, Greg will try to move all those or copy and put them all on InVision, where you can put your comments, or you could just put it up in a spreadsheet and send it to us.
Yeah, I actually put them into a thing on my iPad. I put them into PowerPoint and then into my, I'm using some note, what is it?
Yeah. So if you can share that on Slack,
Well,
we can very well take it from there.
okay.
Yeah, I mean, we will figure that out. So while we are on that, we have a milestone ending in 2 days. So we should be able to demonstrate a better working version of some of the pages and the app screens by our next meeting. But I think we can start off this meeting with all the progress that you have made over the week. So yeah, so Bino, can we start with the web uh, pages that we have built so far? Hi,
Yeah,
Kelly.
Ajish. Actually, I am on two machines. I joined the call from my mobile. I am demoing it on my desktop because I am having an issue with the microphone on my desktop.
Yeah. So do you want to pass it on to Milind for?
No. I will talk from my mobile and I will do a screen demo from the system.
Excellent.
Well, guys, by the way, you might see Kelly Patterson up there. She's our COO, and she takes care of a lot of the marketing issues and development
Okay.
stuff. Of the,
Nice to meet
Hi,
you, Kelly.
everyone. Very nice to meet you. I'm just here to listen.
Okay. Okay, Greg. Let me share my screen. I think uh, you'll have to give us the permission to share the screen, Greg.
Greg, can you grant the screen share permissions?
oh, sure, of course.
Just a minute. No, it's already there. Already there. Okay, Greg, I'm good to go.
Excellent. Go ahead.
Okay. Okay, Greg. So this is the admin which we have made a relative good progress. Earlier it was like a normal one with the text buttons and all text descriptions. Right now we have integrated the designs and all. Then we have integrated the pagination feature also. So once the user clicks on the verified link, you will get the verified one as green. So you will be able to easily identify who all has verified the email addresses. Then you can click on the edit button to see the more details like the country, zip code, whether his token expired, or you can make the modification from the admin side itself. Then the same has been implemented for the groups also. You can create a group. Actually, this is not for a super admin. So once you log in as a normal user using the impersonate feature, you will get this module. So you can create and manage the groups from a user end user perspective itself. Same for the blogs, events, and messages also. These all comes in the future milestones. Then these modules are actually for the managing the countries, the languages, the labels and all. We have implemented all the core APIs for these manage modules so that the mobile as well as the web can proceed. Then the back to the user module, all the APIs like sign in, sign up, verification, forgot password, all these APIs has been completed, and we have integrated it with the mobile app as well as to the web team. So I will show you the web screen. This is actually implemented in the React app, and this is the home page. So the HTML as well as the React integration is in progress. So the web team is consuming the mobile the APIs we have developed from the backend. Okay. Then you can have the sign in, and you can also have the sign up. So I will show you how to sign up. Greg at test.com. So you will get the alert as registration as success. See, you have logged in. You have registered on the system. It is recorded in the admin dashboard. Since you have not verified your email address, this is still in unchecked mark. So once the email integration process is over, you will be getting an email on this address, so that you can click on that link and you can get a verification. So are you clear, Greg?
Yes, it's clear.
Okay, so same for the sign in as well as for the forgot password. All these screens has been completed.
Okay, there are
So-
obviously a lot of changes that are minor. Like, for example, sign in is 2 words. And sign up down at the bottom is 2 words. I have that on my my notes here. So when you see the
Okay.
notes, you'll see it all right there.
Okay, so Greg, for that I have actually created the label module, so you can easily manage it from here. So what I am planning is, you will have during the implementation, we will be using the key only, and you can directly manage it from here itself.
I got you.
So one more thing is pending. Actually, we have to connect it to the language module. So you can have multiple languages. Like suppose you want to support French, the key will be same. You'll have to just manage it, assign the label to a particular language. And once on the front end, when you select the language, you will be provided a language drop-down with English, French, and all the supported languages. And once you choose the language, all the labels will be dynamically populated. So that is how the system is going to work. Right now, since it is in the
Through
first
Google
phase.
Translate, or do we have to write those in?
Sorry?
How are we going to do the translation? Is that done through us or through like Google Translate or something?
Right now, from the admin, we will have to do it manually. We haven't planned for a Google Translate.
Okay.
So you don't have to actually worry about the texts, because it is actually a placeholder. So you can easily dynamically manage it from the admin side once we connect it to the label module.
Okay.
So Greg, that's all from the web end. By next milestone, we will have a significant progress, because we have started working on the home page, the UB universe pages and all. So all this data will be actually populated from the backend.
Okay, the curated contents there on the right really needs to be about video. So it should be UB Sports Videos Center or something like that.
Okay.
On the right side where you have the 2 pictures of the soccer player.
Okay.
Because that's our video box there.
Okay, I got it. Okay, Ajish, that's all from the web end.
Thank you, Binu.
Okay.
Any questions, gentlemen? All right. Okay. Let's move on to the mobile screens, and then we can have further discussions for the milestones and deliverables. Milind, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. Okay. So 1 second, let me share my screen. Yeah, is it visible?
Yes, I can screen.
Yes.
Okay.
Milind, if you can teach Greg on how to make comments on the Figma.
Yeah. So, Greg, I see a couple of comments in the Figma in the web section.
Yeah,
you can
they're
see
there.
Yeah, yes, you can see the comment icon here, right? So when you click on it, you will get a comment addition button or something. So yeah, here you can see all the comments. When you click on the comment button, you can see all the comments that you have made. But the thing is, like, the comment button is always active. So once you click on this, it will ask for a comment. Then either you can add the comment or cancel it. So suppose I am just adding a dummy comment here. I just added a dummy comment here, right? And it will be visible as the 18th comment. Yeah. Okay. And I can delete or edit the comment from here. But the thing is, like, once you are in comment section, always the icon will be active. This white pinpoint icon will be active, and you can use that to click anywhere and have a comment. You have to go back, or like, you have to press the hand tool to move or go back or get out of the comment section. So that's how the comment section I think works in Figma.
Okay, so there are a bunch of them there so far. I'll try to keep using that comments. as I-
Yeah, yes, I
get better at
see like 17 comments from you
Yeah.
on 2 pages, I guess.
Yeah.
These 2 pages. Yeah. So only you can see the comments once you go into, I mean, use the comment tools. So this is a tool, arrow show comments. Either you can press that, then you will see all the comments, and the comments will be listed in the right side, as well as you will get the add comment button also. I mean, like, the pointer will be, the functionality of the pointer will be adding comments. Right?
Okay. I get
Okay.
it.
So
Makes sense, yeah.
yeah.
Thanks, Milan.
So yeah.
And
that's
hey,
it.
John, have you been able to put your comments on the screens?
I haven't added any comments to this point yet. But I don't
Right.
expect that I'll have a problem to put it on. I know how to put them on.
Gotcha.
Yeah, yes. So yeah, from the mobile side, we have started consuming the APIs from the backend, and currently we have completed the onboarding sections. The sign in, forgot password, sign up. Sign up is a 2-step process, so I'll just walk you guys through how it works now. So suppose I'm not starting with the sign up because we'll see that later. Okay. So I guess I'm not sure whether there are a lot of stale data or dummy data in the system, so I'm not sure. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, things works. It's actually communicating to backend, and we are getting the data. So I'm not sure which user works actually, but let me try this. I think Chippin's user is.
Milan, I think it should be I Leave Solutions.
Forgot the S at the end of solution.
Yeah, okay, sorry. So it's not there, I guess. I'm sorry. We can do the sign up, so that's better, right? So
Are
yeah,
the messages are the messages that pop up
yeah.
part of
These are actually
the
coming from the backend. We haven't gone through or sifted through. We will actually decide what all customer-facing text should come from the backend. So right now it's
Okay.
all just a placeholder messages. Yeah.
That's fine. Good,
So,
because for example, on the forgot password, you know, it said that the email address or the user wasn't found, but this should be more generic and just say that, you know, if the account exists, we'll send the email. That way people can't fish around to see if somebody is a member.
Yeah.
and
Yes.
has an
Yes.
account.
Yes.
You know, I don't want to,
Yeah.
you know, so
Very
as
cool,
long
yeah.
as we can control those messages from the admin side, that's just like the labels, then that's perfect.
Yeah, yes, yes. I totally agree, because we shouldn't give proper information to the user because it can be used against us. So, yeah, you're correct.
So
So
Milind, these error messages are coming from the APIs, if I'm
yes,
right. Okay.
yep.
And you're gonna
So
put
All the
wrappers around.
messages are from the server side only.
Sure.
yeah.
Can't we put error codes instead, and then Milind, your app can read the error codes and translate them into appropriate error message.
I'm sorry, I didn't get that. Can you repeat that?
Why don't we put error codes to each of those error messages? That'll make it easy for translation.
Yeah. So the thing is like these error messages need not be dependent on the application, like the mobile app. It can be dynamically changed from the backend, right? So we don't need to hard code it in the app based on some error codes. So that's what I think. Always it should be like editable or alterable from the backend. So that's how we usually do. So any time when the app is live or something, we can actually edit, and it will be automatically reflected in the app without any update or all those kind of stuff, right?
Understood.
Yeah. So yeah, I'm not showing you the validation stuffs and all because it's there. Uh, it's already there because I think I have shown you last time. Oops, sorry. Okay. Yeah. So this is also validated. Okay. I'm not sure the API works or something. Yeah, this message should not be displayed here. For right now, we are sharing the link in the response as dummy status. So it should not come here.
Yeah, once the mail gun or the email service is integrated, we will
Yeah,
be showing this
it will
message.
be it will
Right now,
be
it is
actually
actually for the
right. And
mobile app to proceed.
okay, I guess now I will have to validate the person to continue, right? You know.
Yes.
Oh,
Else you will get the error message telling him to validate, verify the email address.
yeah. One second. Have you appended that?
Milan, you can show that error working also.
Yeah, so this is a link. Right now it's working like this, and now it's verified. The email address is verified. If you go to the admin dashboard, you can see the verification checkbox enabled and active. So yeah, and now I'm trying to log in the first time after completing the email verification. I'm sorry, did I enter wrong email somewhere? Did I use com or net? I'm not sure whether I had it. Oops, that's bad. Let me try with some other user.
Me, the admin can get you the login
Which
details.
all users works, Binu? I'm not sure actually.
Milan, it is ilivesolution.net. There is net is missing.
Oh,
It is Milan at ilivesolution.net.
okay. And this keyboard is autocomplete is actually disturbing me.
.net.
Okay. Yeah. So this is the first page once the user actually signs up. Logs in after the first sign up. You will be taken to the screen where you can enter the details. These are mandatory details which we ask from the user. We have a two-step verification, like sign up process, right? So I'm just entering my details here. So country picker right now we have only
Greg, all these countries are actually managed from the backend.
That's good.
All the
Yeah,
countries in this
so you
list,
can
it
see
is actually
bottom
added
right,
from the backend.
we have a searching functionality also. The steps are actually in place. Okay, fine. Oops, that's fine. That's okay. So this is a date picker for selecting the dates. For zip code, we don't have a validation right now. I'm just entering. I have disabled all those steps now. Okay. And there is some issue, I guess, with the API. Yeah, it broke somewhere. I guess it's okay. The next screen will be the sports selection screen. I'll just show you guys that screen. It's not gonna work because it's broke. Hmm. Guess we'll have to wait a little bit while the app starts. You guys have seen all those screens from the earlier demo, but now we have just connected those things to backend with APIs, and that's the part. And we have done the UI part from the home page and other sections. I'll show that after this. Because the APIs are getting ready in the meanwhile. So the onboarding process is almost complete, and we'll have minor fixes here and there. But meanwhile, we are actually completing the UI sections for homes, blogs, events, groups, portals, and all those places. It might.
After this meeting, John and Greg, I'll send you a schedule of things that we would be completing per milestone, so you could have a reference or expect. I mean, you'll know what to expect during each of these demos.
I'll show the page right now. Okay, so this is how the home page looks right now. We have started doing the UI stuff. So you can see the events, all those stuff will be listed here. The blogs, you can see the other pieces, I mean, people's blogs and all. This will be the detailed view.
Those are nice.
Yeah, okay. So this is a feed, and next is the sports, I mean, the groups. You can see the groups here, the trending groups, our groups, and they can go here, create the groups from here.
Is there a way to search for groups?
Right now, we haven't implemented the screen. Actually, this is a screen which we can use to search for the group. While clicking the search button, you will be actually getting this screen.
Do we have access to this bunch of stuff on these screens on Figma?
Yeah, yes. Right now, for the UI part, these many screens have been completed. I can't actually count, but you can see, right? I'll share the link of the Figma UI designs. We have a couple of screens more to complete, but all those screens are the UI part.
Yeah,
Can
please
see,
send
right?
those to us as soon as you're ready to let us look at them.
Yeah, okay, fine. So there are a lot of screens covered here, and we are parallelly creating the mobile. So once you click on this search field, you will actually see, yeah, as I told, this page will pop up where you can enter the group name or categories or postcode, all the steps, and you can search and it will display the results and all. Yeah, so this is a place for creating the group, and it's a two-step process. and you can use all those stuff and create the group. Right now, these are all just UIs because the APIs and backends are not ready. And yeah, so this will be the portals page, sports portal, wellness portal, and parents portal. We don't have any profile page right now. So the sports portal will be getting a similar kind of screen where you can search and add and all those kind of stuff. Yeah, so that's the development from the mobile side, actually.
Where will you have a button for shopping?
I'm sorry.
Where will you have a button for shopping to send people to our shopping site?
Yeah, so wait, I guess the functionality will be coming. One second. The shopping site, in the sense you are referring to the URLs for the tabs that you add from the settings, right?
Yeah, we already have a shopping site set up called Total Equips.
Yeah, so 1 second.
I can get you the mobile cred so you can put that in there as well.
Yeah, but I don't. Yeah, so you can. Oh, sorry, where's the YouTube page? So you can see the. So suppose this is a page for a group, UB Universe. You can see all the tabs which we manually add here, like news rules, skills and rules, all those stuff, right? So you can add any custom tab and you can embed the URL. I mean, embed the URL in any of these categories. So suppose there is a tab called shopping, you will be seeing a screen like this. 1 second. I'm not sure whether he has completed the UI. I think that UI is not completed. I'll show the wireframes. Yes, so here you can see, right? You can actually edit the tab details here and you can add the contents in this page. This is a wireframe. It's not actually converted to UI now. So you can actually add the URLs here and it will actually display the web page. And once you click on it, it will open a web view in the mobile app itself, showing the web page. So that's how right now things are planned. So this is a tab, news tab with the website data or URL stuff, which you will see. This is a wireframe. Okay, so yeah, that's actually the development from the mobile side.
So yeah, please give us that access to that as soon as you can, because that's going to be great for our investors to see this.
Yeah, yes. I think I already added you to the wireframe pages, I guess. Let me add you to the UI page. I'll add that. I'll just check with the developer and see whether he has completed any more screens which need to be added, and I'll add the access.
Thank you very much.
Sure, sure.
So, Milind, Greg already has access to the existing screens, right? Ones on Figma?
Yeah, yes. He has already access. I mean, he had the access to the wireframes. I'm not sure about the UI
Design?
part, but I guess we had shared it last time.
Yeah, Greg, if you
Milind,
want.
I think is the mobile screen a new project in Figma?
Is it on?
Yeah,
the,
yes.
Hold on, I'm going to break out and check. Hold on a second.
Let me share it with you, Greg, once again. I'll put it on the Slack channel.
Slack.
All right, I'll go back and check it there.
Sure.
Okay.
So, do you have questions, John and Greg or Kelly?
Greg, can you just say your email ID?
It's greg@usbsports.com.
Yeah, Greg at ubsports.com.
Right?
Okay, currently I am only seeing the website thumbnails.
You'll have to
Yeah.
go back to the projects list. Then you have to select the app project, Greg.
Yeah, you can just go to the Figma and you'll see the number of projects which you are associated to like this. So you can open any project from here. So you will be seeing the project for mobile app and website and the mobile wireframes right now, I guess.
All right, I'll hunt around and make sure I find them.
Yeah, please check your email right now because I have sent an invite for the.
Yeah, hold on, let me see.
Yeah.
Milind, you can share it with John as well.
Yeah. Okay. Gentlemen, can you please? Yeah, John.
Daniels.john@gmail.com.
Is it in Slack? Sorry.
Yeah, it should be in Slack.
Or can somebody share it in the chat?
Yeah,
I'll do that.
No. So you can actually copy it from Zoom, right? Okay. So yeah. So I have invited you guys to the Figma Designs, the UI.
So I hope you'll continue to add your comments on these screens, and if we have questions, we'll bring them up during these weekly calls. Plus, Jibin, do you want to talk about the other two apps and then the SRS?
Yes.
Yeah.
So Greg and John, hope you guys got a chance to go through the SRS that I have shared with you. It's related to athletic training app and the yoga app. So, I hope we can have a discussion and freeze it, because simultaneously we can also work on the designs and the wireframes for those two applications. So I hope you guys got a chance to go through it.
Okay. Let me see what the last one I have is, if it has those in there. Hold on a second. Okay, the last one we got was January 11th, and that had the SRS in it. I'll go through it, and John will go through it as soon as he can, but I'll go through it today.
Because we're getting late with that. So please go through it, and maybe we can schedule a call later this week to freeze it out.
Yeah, I'm available both days, the rest of the week, so we can definitely do it then. Actually, whenever you want to do it, it's fine.
Perfect.
I'll do it today.
So Ajish, I guess maybe we can get on a call on Friday, or else next Monday, so that they'll also get enough time to go through it.
I'm flexible
Ashish?
on timing. I can look through them
Okay.
over the next day or two. So if we want to do something maybe Friday, that'd be fine, or Monday.
Sorry, I was talking on mute. Yeah, Monday should be better, John.
Monday? Okay. That's good for me.
So if you don't have any other questions for now, we can call it a day.
I have actually at least one more question. We obviously, video is going to be a very big part of what we're doing and our value proposition. I'd like to know what your, do we have a video page yet you can show us?
Do we have any, Binu, right now?
Right now, no, Ajish, we haven't started on the video pages.
Is it part of the next milestone or any future milestone, if you can?
Yes. Once the homepage, HTML, and the groups, everything is done, it will be there. The videos will be there.
Okay, that's really important for us. I've been speaking with a outside vendor that uses JW Player, but they use AI and some other stuff to organize the library, and they're able to have shown on the same page videos from different places, our own in-house video library, as well as Vimeo and YouTube, all in one place, so that wherever we drag it from, they can all be shown there in one place. So if I have, for example, if I have a tennis backhands videos library on UB Sports, it'll include tennis backhand videos from YouTube, Vimeo, other places as well, and then our our own library, all in one place. So, do you have the technology or the any thoughts on what we should do about that? Is that something that you guys would be interested in using as well, or do you have that already in your, bag of tricks?
Did you mean the player, Greg?
The player and the technology around it to get all the videos to show up on one, the thumbnails for those videos to show up all on one screen, so that you have Vimeo and YouTube and our own stuff.
We might have to use some aggregator service, but I'm not the right person to say that. Binu, what's your opinion? Binu, you're on mute.
Sorry, I'll have to check with the team.
Okay, we'll get back to you with an answer by next meeting. Greg.
Thanks, guys. Thanks, Ajit.
Yeah. All right, that's it for today. I think you're just in time to watch the inauguration.
Woohoo! Can't wait. All right, thanks, guys. I appreciate it.
Bye-bye.
Thanks.
Thanks. We'll talk to you later.
Okay.
Sure.
See ya. Thank you.
Thanks.
Bye, everyone.